For this presentation, I will be covering how career counseling can be impactful for the adult population that have experienced hospitalizations. I would like to start by giving a brief overview of what this video will cover. I will be introducing the population I am interested in and what role career counseling plays in helping this population. We will cover career counseling theories, career counseling assessment, takeaways, and the crossroads between art therapy and career counseling. Adults who experience hospitalizations have an interruption in their daily routine. In the hospital, adults may feel pressure and stress regarding missing home, missing work, and missing family. Hospitalizations contribute to feelings of loss of self, which creates challenges when adults consider getting back into a routine at work and at home. Patients have expressed discharge plans do not prepare them to return to their, quote, normal life post-hospitalizations. Hospitalizations are becoming shorter in length, and this leads to higher stress when the patient is placed back into their community. In one study, 29% of the people who participated reported dissatisfaction that led to coping difficulties post-hospitalizations. Two theories that can benefit this population are Holland's theory and Super's theory. Holland's theory uses a 6-type model to explore personality and create career development. Holland's theory examines career through the lens of personality. I find it noteworthy that this theory does not only consider one attribute and fit a person into a box, rather it works with their overall personality to find what best works for them in a career. Adults who have experienced hospitalizations may have experienced a life-altering event. Considering this is an important factor as it may have changed their outlook on life and potentially their personality. Patients who have been hospitalized for a long period of time, such as stroke patients, experience challenges when returning back to a community. Having support and the opportunity to be exposed to a theory like Holland's through career counseling can assist in supporting an adult who has experienced a stroke and hospitalization in a positive way, as it focuses on the person for who they are. Considering Holland's theory is important as it allows for clients to explore their feelings and personalities and how that now parallels a new career path or the job they are returning to after a hospitalization. Another excellent theory to consider is Super's theory. Super's theory focuses on goal setting and balancing life roles. This is really important for this population as setting goals and visualizing what roles are taking the most time and assist in planning for a career path. This theory also helps this population in that adults who are hospitalized may feel defeated, as if being a patient is the only role they play. Creating a career rainbow allows clients to visualize every role they have in life and can plan to begin and balance. Clients can do this by planning out in a pie chart what roles they play. Ethical considerations are imperative for the well-being of this population. Considerations to be aware of include confidentiality, doing no harm, and multicultural and diversity considerations. Respecting the privacy and confidentiality of clients who have experienced hospitalizations or are currently hospitalized is important for them as it allows them to feel safe and know fully that what is discussed between the career counselor and them stays between them. This opens opportunity for good therapeutic relationships. In the Code of Ethics, it is essential to first and foremost do no harm. The counselor needs to meet the client where they are and know not to push too hard, which could overwhelm the client and cause them stress and anxiety, hindering their progress. Additionally, the National Code of Ethics highlights the importance of multicultural and diversity considerations. Hospitalizations affect everyone. Clients in this population may come from all different backgrounds. Being considerate of this is essential for clients to feel respected and safe in the therapeutic environment. One beneficial assessment in career counseling is the Values Card Sort. It offers clients the opportunity to sort through their personal values. Some clients may have a challenging time knowing that values are important to them. Using this assessment affords them the opportunity to see existing values and add the ones that are most important to them. This is conducted with the counselor using cards to prioritize which values are most important to the client and how they can play a role in seeking a new career path or determining if a current career path is where they want to be. It is often easy to assume we know what is important to each person, but people prioritize their values differently, and this should be respected with every client. If clients have the opportunity to visualize their values by laying them out in front of them, such as using the Value Card Sorts assessment, they can more easily see what career could align with these values. There are several best practice takeaways. Beginning counseling when patients are admitted to the hospital is important, as working through this process from the beginning assists the client to not feel as overwhelmed when considering their career. They're confronting the issue head on from the start. Having a plan in place for discharge, as the disruption of routine from a hospitalization can be taxing and challenging when returning back to work, is very important. Additionally, when counseling with this population, it is imperative to have multicultural and diversity considerations. As mentioned before, clients can come from all different backgrounds. It is also important to treat every client with the utmost respect. Many clients have had life-altering experiences, and finding a new sense of identity and self is challenging. This should be worked through in a safe place with the career counselor, as this plays a big role in seeking our career and new sense of self. Art therapy and career counseling meet at many crossroads. Visualizing goals, including career counseling through imagery, is just one way that art therapy intersects. Additionally, working through challenges and feelings of loss of identity using a creative outlet can be incredibly therapeutic when considering a new career. And finally, using art therapy while in career counseling can allow clients to discover a new form of self-expression and self-worth through the visual arts. This final slide is a list of all of my references for the information that was provided in this video. Thank you all very much for listening, and I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video.